Please click Replace Files button to upload new video to edit. Then, select the target video you want to replace. If the upload is successful, the current video will be replaced and the AI model selected last time will remain unchanged. Please click the Clip button. Please select the video on the timeline you want to clip. Click and drag the edge of your clip forwards or backwards to trim off the unwanted video. Please click the Crop function. There are two available cropping modes that you can utilize to resize your video screen: custom and proportional cropping modes. You can choose any mode according to your preferences and specific needs.